What's up, C Squad? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to make a polymodified tile mortar mixture which can be used for tiling works. If you are new here, my name is C and you guys are the C Squad. If you want to join the family, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Things that we are going to use are these. For mixing, you can use a plaster mixer drill or you can mix it by hand with a clean wooden stick. First of all, you need to add water to a plastic bucket, then start adding tile mortar mix into the water. Mortar mix that we are using here contains cement, polymer and fillers, and it is recommended to use in floor and wall tile installations. It will also give excellent bonding capability with soft flow and longer workability when compared to a normal cement mixture. I already uploaded a vlog about the way of making this mixture with cement powder, and a link to that video is down there at the description. You can get either multi-purpose or polymodified thin set mortar or cement mortar for installing ceramic tiles on cement floors. This depends on the nature of the tiles that you are using. You can consult the manufacturer's label to find out the recommended amount of water for your mortar mix. Here we can use 7 to 8 liters of water for whole 25 kilograms of tile mortar mix. Pour the mortar powder to the bucket until it gets over the top of the water. Then you can either start mixing it by hand or mixing with a mixer drill. If you are using a drill, move the paddle up and down, starting at the bottom of the bucket. Run the drill until the mortar mix is smooth and get the consistency that you need. In order to obtain a proper tile mixture, you need to mix it for a couple of minutes and make sure to mix the ingredients thoroughly by using circular moves until you get a uniform compound. When mixing, always try to wear goggles, gloves and mask. After mixing, thoroughly leave it for several minutes to allow the water to penetrate the powder and activate the adhesives. This is also known as slaking. If you use mortar right after mixing, it will cause it to get stiff quickly and weakens the mortar and creates a issue with the bonding. Then mix it again and it's ready for use. To check the consistency of the mixture, you should load mixture onto a trowel. If the thin set sticks to the trowel and doesn't fall off while being able to spread it on the floor, it means it has the right consistency. Normally, these types of mixtures begin to harden in about 20 minutes. So mix only as much as you will use in the time frame. Finally, you will get a mixture like this. Guys, that's for the today's vlog. Have a nice day. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos. See you soon. Peace.